gadgets. So this particular infusion pump can use any size of syringe. Sorry, I've been saying infusion pump, syringe pump rather, syringe driver. It can use any size of syringe, from 5 ml to 10 ml to 20 ml, 30 ml, 50 ml, as the case may be. So it's programmed that way. So I'm going to demonstrate how to set your parameters, your flow rate, your time, or your volume of infusion. Our syringe, see, this is a new syringe, tell me syringe. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use the syringe pump using the tell me syringe. Through the power button here, you can see this button, just press, hold down, so you can see the interface. This is the interface. So this is our 10 ml syringe. This is our 10 ml syringe. So you can open this syringe. So your medication, you titrate your medication inside, any kind of medication you want to use. So first of all, you pull this up, you pull this, pull it up, then you can pull the trigger back. Do you see? Then you release it. Then to return, you also clip this. Let me demonstrate properly. So this is it. You clip this gently, then you can push it in. Then to pull it out, you pinch. You can see, pin up, then you can easily pull it. Without that, there's no way you can move it in and out. You can't. So this plunger, you have to pull like this. So once you pull it out, then this too, you draw out. This has a spring. It has a spring. Stop it. Don't do the video. So now this plunger, you pull back. So this, you have to be careful because don't let it slip off your hand. It's strong, it's spring, it has spring, it's elastic. So you have to pull and hold. Don't let it slip off from your hand like this. So you pull back like this. Then you have your syringe. Bring the camera close. So you see this space here. This space here. You allow the cap, this cap of your syringe to rest inside. So just put it in like this. Then the cap of your syringe rests inside like this. Then you release this plunger gently. So you can see it's holding it now. Then you return this. You can do this manually, or you can allow the device to do it by itself. You can see. So you just put it in place like this. So the first thing you might need to do is to do bolus. This is the bolus here. You understand? That's to escape bubble or to prime, depending on what you want. You might want to prime the given set. You understand? Just to escape bubbles. Then you press this bolus. So if you press the bolus, you can hear the sound. So gradually it will. I'll stop. So when you insert your plunger, ensure that the plunger of your syringe pins down this. There's a button kind of that goes in and out on this hand plunger. Then you ensure that it push it a bit inside. Then you lock, because as soon as you pinch it, it sends a signal to the device. Then you press down and put it on. 1, 2, 3, it's on now. So you can set your rate. So once this is blinking, once the rate is blinking, that means you're about to set your rate in mils per hour. That's default setting now. Then just you can change volume limit. This is the rate now, so you can use this up and down button to navigate. If you are setting the rate, you are setting the volume to be infused, that is total volume to be infused. So you are setting the rate now. You want to say you are giving 6, let's say you are using 5 mils per hour or 6 mils per hour. You can see 6 mils per hour. Then you want to set the volume limit. That's the maximum volume it will go. You don't really need that. The occlusion limit is blinking. You can see it. OCC L means occlusion. Once it's occluded like this, it's going to send an alarm to you. So it's by default it's set already. So what you might need to do is volume to be infused, total volume. So what's total volume of the fluid you are infusing your patient with? Now you can set up to about total volume. Let's say can give like we have 10 mils syringe. So let's say we are giving 9 mils. So we are giving 10 mils fluid to our patient through the infusion pump. So as soon as you set it like this, you press OK. So everything is set. Then to start your infusion, so you press this start button. Just press. As soon as you press the start button, you will see infusing here. So it shows that it is infusing. So with time you will see the volume that has been infused. Now it's 0 because the rate you want 6 mils per hour. So we should be expecting like 50 minutes before we can infuse 6 mil or something like that. So if you want to stop, the same thing, you press your stop button. Let's say during the course of the process you want to change the rate and the volume, just press this stop button. You will see from here it's showing pause. It's showing pause here. So this, then you cannot change the rate. Let's say it's too slow, you can come to the rate here. This volume to be infused, this is volume to be infused, but we want to change the rate. So you press this up button. You can see the rate is now blinking. The rate is blinking. Then you cannot press your plus or minus to change the volume. That's the rate. If you press the forward button, now you can see it's giving, let's say we are giving at the rate of 50 mils per hour. Then we're going to press start button. So as soon as we start, you can see it's showing infusing. It's showing infusing. You can see it here. So, and also you can see the time here. So it's going to take us 12 minutes to infuse this total volume. You can see 0.5 mils has been infused already. 0.5 has been infused. So this is how to use the default setting majorly in mils. That's the rate is in mil per hour. This is a very default setting. Then if you want to go to other modes, you want to do some changes in it, then we cannot come to this calibration mode. You can come to this calibration mode, but before you do that you have to stop it. Once you stop the infusion, you can see it will show you pause. Then you cannot go to calibration mode. Press this calibration. But before we go there, let's just end this tutorial here.